Hey everybody, Rochelle Plumstead here, Remax East Coast Elite. Thanks for joining me for this week's Movin Up Minute. So last week we chatted a little bit about your stuff, making sure you pack your stuff away, and I had a great message and a wonderful conversation with a lovely lady that had more questions around that. She has some valuables that are tucked away in a cabinet, and she wasn't quite sure if they were okay to stay because they were in a cabinet or should she pack them up. Now, my advice last week was pack it up because people don't want to see clutter. But when we're talking about valuables, there are other concerns on top of that. So a couple that come to mind is if I'm showing a property and it has beautiful things in it, and it reminds me of if you went into a store that's got valuables and you always see those signs that say you break it, you buy it. Well, obviously you're not going to put those all around your home. So what happens if somebody picks up one of your valuables just to admire it and something happens? I might not know about it. You might not figure it out till the next day, the next month, until you move. And it could have happened obviously would have happened by accident. So there's that potential. The other thing that you need to remember is we take pictures and those pictures go online. I cannot control who sees those pictures. And unfortunately, people look online for nefarious reasons, and your valuables could be something that tempt them to book a viewing on your house when they really don't have any interest in buying your house. So you're going to have to pack this stuff up anyways. So why not pack it up, get rid of that temptation, get rid of the risk, and let's just get some more clear space going for your pictures. So Barb, thank you. I really appreciate you watching every week, and I did appreciate the question. You guys, send me more questions. I love it. Wishing you guys all a fantastic weekend. If you're moving up, moving over, moving out, you've got questions, I've got answers. Bye for now.